All right, here I've got my 1994 F-150. The cab mounts are shot completely. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there's holes all rusted in the floor. See, the cab mount has rusted through, like gone through up the bottom of the cab. You can tell the body line of this gets smaller in here. It's all worn away because it's touching. It's been going down like this. On the other side it is rotted out, but it's I don't know, lodged in something, but it's at the same level. So the body line, there still is the gap that's supposed to be there. So today I'm just worrying about this right side because it also clunks when you go over bumps and stuff. So yes. So I've pulled back the carpet here, and the floor of this right here in the corner is really rotted out. I pulled back this too. There's supposed to be metal here. You can see how rotted it is in there. There's a rubber plug. This rubber plug I took off of here, and it's so that you can get to the bolt for the cab mount. And it's all rotted out. And I figured the best idea to tackle this is I'm gonna weld something that comes from here and here to make it so this doesn't flex at all. And I'm gonna cut this piece out right here so that I have access to this, and I'll just weld a patch back in here after, because it'll be a hell of a lot easier to go about figuring this out from the top than trying to figure it out from the bottom. So I'm gonna start with cutting this out and we'll go from there. So I kind of forgot to record some of this, so I didn't cut the whole thing back. I just cut here and flipped it back because there's the support here, and I have this piece right here and it's welded up onto here, and then it notches down, and I just had that on there from before, so that's not important. This comes over here, welded there. Then I have this piece going up to here where it's sturdy, so that's good. And right now it's not bolted down to there, but it's resting on there right now, and that is so it's not jacked up anymore, and body lines are good. There's a gap, they're not touching anymore, and I can do this and it doesn't shake in the whole truck when I rock this back and forth, so that is better. What I'm gonna do now is weld one of these pieces of metal from like under here to here, because I don't want this floor to flex at all, because that flexes. And then when I'm done, I'll flip this down and I might weld it, but the carpet will cover it. So yeah, that should be good. And if it needs to be raised a little bit more, I can jack it up, because this isn't bolted, so I can just jack it up and wedge another piece of metal under that if I need it up another 1/4 inch or whatever, or 1/8 of an inch or whatever it is. So yeah, I'm going to get welding that underneath.
Their bird's so much hotter than mine.
Good. All right. So this is what I ended up doing under here. So this will stop the floor from flexing more. So yeah, this is my repair. It's not perfect, but it'll do support wise. It doesn't look good, but yeah, so I'm just gonna bend this down and put the carpet over. I also decided to put some paint on there so it don't rust. So now I just got to flip this piece back of the floor. So I forgot to finish recording this video, but I got the carpet all back, and it's I folded that down. It was sturdy enough, so it's good. Way sturdier. I was driving it around, and not clunky, nothing. You know, body lines are good, so can't even tell that it looks really bad under there. But that's how I repaired my cab mount. So thanks for watching.